Today I'll show you my favorite dinner recipe, what I take in my dinner after a brisk walk. I have early dinner. Let's see what is my favorite super easy, super quick dinner recipe, super nutritious. Today I will show you an oats recipe. Oats is a super food. It's loaded with fiber, and the fiber it contains is soluble fiber. Soluble fiber called beta glucan. Soluble fiber is good for those suffering with diabetes. If they are on a journey to weight loss, this will help a lot. We need to roast the oats to get rid of the phytic acid content. Phytic acid actually prevents the absorption of nutrients, and it's present in almost all nuts, cereals, grains. So we need to soak or roast them. To 1/4 cup of oats, toasted oats, I added 1 cup of yogurt. I had mixed some water also in the yogurt. Now the superfood, 1 tablespoon chia seeds. Chia seeds are richest sources of calcium. If you are gone vegan, you can replace your milk or milk products with chia seeds. To this I will add some raisins. Raisins, chia seeds we will add in the same bowl of oats, and this preparation is to be done in the morning. If you are taking it as a dinner, you need to prepare it in the morning, and if you are taking it as a breakfast, you need to prepare it in the night and keep this in the refrigerator in summers, and otherwise no need to keep in the refrigerator. This should get soaked completely overnight. Overnight soaked oats or oats soaked for longer time gives good benefits. It helps in the absorption of nutrients. It's loaded with nutrients. We will soak almonds separately. I have taken 6 to 7 almonds also. Almonds are good for your eyes. They are the good source of fat and good source of protein also, vitamin A also. These also contain phytic acid, so to get rid of that phytic acid, the growth inhibitor actually will soak them separately and will let it rest. Let's go to the kitchen to see today's recipe, and let's head towards a nutritious and scrumptious meal of the day, which will relieve you of your bloating, your gas, acidity, and it's a calm, cool diet. After I came from my evening walk, I went to check the oats and almonds. Almonds are soaked well. So I'll peel these. Here, see the chia seeds are hydrophilic. They absorb a lot of water. They keep you contented and satiated, and they keep you fuller for longer. They are full of fiber, good source of protein, calcium, phosphorus, magnesium, zinc, and whatnot. They are loaded with antioxidants. Same is the case with almonds. Almonds are the richest source of vitamin A, proteins, good source of good fats. Will peel off the skin. It's believed that the almond skin may irritate the intestines, or it may irritate your gut. So it's always recommended to have almonds, but peel off them, soak and peel off them. Soaking helps to get rid of the phytic acid and the growth inhibitor, and it helps in good absorption of nutrients. So we'll add these almonds also and mix it well. A healthy and hearty meal is ready here. You can enjoy it in a corner. You can also add some maple syrup or honey at the end. You can completely avoid this because the sweetness will be provided with the raisins we have already added. If you are on some diet restriction, if you are diabetic, please don't add any honey. But if you are eating it for a weight loss journey and you have a sweet tooth, you can satiate your sweet tooth with this honey.